Do you want to be successful? Let's talk success today. Hello everyone, I am Ajinkya and you are watching the Be Productive series where every day I make one video and help you to be more productive, help you to be the best versions of yourself. And today what we are going to talk about is success. Now you see, success is one of the most commonly used terms in our society. Everyone around you would want to be successful. But then what exactly is success? Now a general notion you go out and ask people, a general notion is if you have money, power, fame, maybe a good status, you are called as successful. This is a societal definition of success. But if you actually go back and look into a dictionary, you are going to find a much different definition. The dictionary says that success is something when you do something and when you excel at it, you are successful. Doing something good is what is called as success. So why is it that we have some kind of set societal norm, and why is it that dictionary says something else? According to dictionary, if you are a painter and if you paint a picture and you do it beautifully, you are successful. Maybe you are not even a painter. Maybe I go ahead and paint a picture, and if I am able to do it well, I am successful. It can be you wanting to run a marathon and you run it across, you are successful. You wanting to go for a trek and you go ahead and climb that mountain very well, you are successful. You want to teach a student and you are able to do that in a good manner, you are successful. You see, the definition of success can be different for a lot of different people. For someone, that success definition can be earning lakhs and crores of rupees per month, but for someone else it can be to be able to create employment, to be able to go out and say that, okay, I run a business with which I am able to create employment for 10 different people, which makes me more content because I know that I am in some way helping and giving back to society. For some people, success means being able to help a lot of animals. For some people, it means being able to do a lot of things for environment. So, what exactly is your definition of success? Now, one part is, of course, the societal norm. You see, my mentor used to always ask me, Ajinkya, what do you want in your life? I said, I want to be successful. I want to be happy. Okay, that is fine enough. But what does success mean to you? What does happiness mean to you? When is it that you are going to grab this happiness? It's not necessarily in these 3, 4, 5 things that you are going to grab happiness and success. Maybe for you it's a different idea of success. So ask this question to yourself: what does success really mean to you? It's great to be successful, right? Even if it's in the terms of everything that society thinks you are going to be successful. It's great to be successful in that way, but it is even more better if you know what success means individually to you and you carve your path to success, and then you go ahead and live your life in that manner. So I'm going to ask you today to actually sit down and reflect back. What exactly do you think is going to make you successful? What exactly is going to make you feel content with your life? What exactly is going to make you happy with your life? Go ahead, spend some time and chalk this definition of success for you. And I would love to hear a lot of your definitions. What do you think success means to you? Now, once you are on your path to success, you are going to have a lot of hindrances and obstacles and a lot of setbacks. Those setbacks are something a lot of people call as failures. That is something we are going to talk about tomorrow. So stay tuned. Meanwhile, don't forget that on my website ajinkyachoprey.com, I have been offering a 100% discount on a range of different services. If you use the code BeProductive at the checkout, you're going to get a 100% discount. So go ahead and book a one-on-one personalized appointment with me, and I should be able to guide you on a lot of different areas. So I look forward to seeing you over there. Till then, I'm going to say tata, bye-bye, and you have some work today. Go back and reflect upon what success is for you. Sayonara.